हाय मैम। सबसे पहले हम ईटा के एनुअल सेलिब्रेशन पे हैं, तो मैं आपसे पूछना चाहूंगी कि हम ईटा के आने वाले साल में और क्या-क्या नई चीजें हम ईटा से एक्सपेक्ट कर सकते हैं एज एन एसोसिएशन।
Hi, so apparently with ETA, with an annual dinner, first it's always a Thanksgiving to all our members, and it is, to our partners who are there. And with TBO, it has always been a gratitude because they are the ones who've always led with a vision and who also, emphasizes a vision for the members. ETA के साथ में what we have planned for the forthcoming, year is that we have a lot of partnerships, we have a lot of tourism body that we want to focus on, and a lot of destination seminars, a lot of farm trips which we are planning that can give a lot of information, innovative and engagement to our members. So it's going to be learning, it's going to be engagement, it's going to be all the more activity and participation from both the ends, and as an industry we are going to go forward hand in hand.
Okay, what are the new things that we are going to get from ईटा when it comes to tourism growth?
See, with tourism growth, we focus a lot of things. We focus on, training our members on destinations. We focus on a lot of participation in, in sponsorship with the tourism bodies, with the airlines. So, our focus remains engagements to be created with them. And, the industry is moving forward, in both tangents. So, whether it is domestic or it is international, so we are trying to bring on a platform both the things for our members, which can be beneficial for them and can grow, positively in all the directions.
At last, in one word, what's ईटा for you?
See, ETA is a association where there are networking events happen, and it is something a bonding between the members, and it is a very fruitful association for all kind of further growth for the members itself.